What's up, you guys? Sharatia Banks here once again. Now, wedding season is definitely upon us, so I'm going to show you guys how to create these beautiful, soft curls using the Main Choice's Pink Lemonade and Coconut line. I was beyond ecstatic when I was able to get my hands on this line. Literally, with the sun and the heat, I needed something that will hold my curls. I applied the shampoo to my scalp first and then bringing it down the rest of my strands. I love this shampoo because it is tough on dirt, but it's so soft on my hair. Moving on to the conditioning process, I like to make sure every single strand is coated with conditioner. And because this look requires a more soft approach, I'm going to go through and brush out every single curl with a shower brush gently. After rinsing that out, I then applied the 5-minute reviving mask. I am in love with this stuff. Y'all know I'm a stickler for deep conditioning. So when I don't have to sit around for 30 minutes to an hour with deep conditioner in my hair, it's a win-win. So I just applied it, waited 5 minutes after I put the plastic cap on and rinsed it out. Soak up some of the excess water. I applied the anti-frizz microfiber towel just because I don't need it to be soaking wet. I need it to have just a little bit of moisture in my hair. Now, normally when it comes to magnetic rollers, you're supposed to size up the section of hair. So the section should be no wider or longer than the length of the roller. After applying a liberal amount of mousse to my section, I then went on with the curl boosting sherbet. I love this stuff because it smooths my hair. You just want to take a fine-tooth comb and make sure it's as smooth as possible. Now, as you can see with the roller, I'm just wrapping my ends around it first, making sure that's also smooth. And then as I'm rolling upwards, I make sure that I'm tugging it and smoothing the top part with my 4 fingers. Now, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I do a roller set, I realize that my root isn't as smooth as possible. So I notice that when I twist it like so, it at least kind of stretches my root, so it's less puffy than usual. Making sure that I hold the roller as tight as possible, I then pin it in place. The good thing about using these products in combination with my technique is that you don't have to make the parts as small as I did the first time. As you can see in comparison, this part is really big. And there you have it. I only had 13 rollers in my head. That has never happened. So you can either air dry or, like me, set under the dryer for about 2 hours under low heat. Judging by my expression, you can tell that I'm very impressed. But to take down the rollers, just want to gently unravel them like so. To lay back my edges effortlessly, I'll be using the company's Edge Control. You can actually pick this up as well as the Pink Lemonade collection line by visiting their website at themainchoice.com. And also, hey, if you want to be in the loop with the new, go ahead and follow them on Instagram at themainchoice. As far as the curls, I'm just separating it where it naturally wants to separate. Now, honestly, I could have left it the way it was, but I wanted some volume, which I probably shouldn't have done, but at least this gives it a nice little 70s, 80s, retro look.
And at this point, you just look in the mirror and work it, girl. Work it to your desired look. So another option that you can do is pin the front, because I wasn't feeling it as much. But at least this way it gives it like this pinup girl look. And I was totally feeling it. What about you guys? Are you feeling it? Give this video a thumbs up or comment down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Love you guys.